you're pouring concrete or building $1 million home, you've still got to make sure your structure stays square. Now, how do you do it with these? You don't. I'm going to show you a formula that makes it real easy. The formula I'm going to show you is able to expand to square up any size structure. First, from the outside corner, come down and make a 6-foot mark. From the other outside corner, put a mark at 8 feet. In this case, I'm using an 8-foot stud. And now, just intersect your 6-foot mark you made earlier and your 8-feet mark at 10 feet. So always remember the formula 6, 8, 10, and no one will make fun of you.
Yay!